Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn Class 8th Chemistry Chapter ABC of Chemistry Part 5. In this part we will learn about the table of all the atomic elements and their protons and electrons in neutral atom. So we will learn our first 20 elements of periodic table. So our first element, as we know, is hydrogen. Second is helium. Third is lithium. Fourth is beryllium. Fifth is boron. After the element, we will write the symbols. So the symbol of hydrogen is H, helium is He, lithium is Li, beryllium is Be, and boron is B. Now we will write the atomic number, that is denoted by Z. So atomic number of hydrogen is 1, helium is 2, lithium is 3, beryllium is 4, boron is 5. After that, we will write the number of protons in nucleus. Number of protons in nucleus. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As the atomic numbers and protons are equal. After that, number of electrons in neutral atom. Number of electrons and protons are equal to the atomic number. So electron will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively to the elements from 1 to 5 of periodic table. After that, we will learn the next, that are, so sixth one is carbon, nitrogen is 7th, 8th is oxygen. Carbon symbol is C, nitrogen symbol is N, and oxygen symbol is O. Atomic number of carbon is 6, atomic number of nitrogen is 7, atomic number of oxygen is 8. Protons in carbon is 6, in nitrogen is 7, in oxygen is 8, and electrons in carbon is 6, electrons in nitrogen is 7, electrons in oxygen is 8. These are the elements and these are the symbols. Now, ninth element is fluorine.
F. The atomic number of fluorine is 9
and proton is 9, electron is also 9. Neon's symbol is Ne, atomic number is 10, proton is 10 and electrons are also 10. After that, sodium, the symbol is Na based on the Latin name of sodium, natrium. Atomic number of sodium is 11, protons are 11, electrons are also 11. 12 is magnesium, symbol is Mg. 12 is the atomic number, 12 is the proton, 12 is electron. 13th is aluminium. Al is the symbol. 13 is the atomic number, 13 is proton, 13 is electron. 14 is silicon. The symbol is Si of silicon. After that, the atomic number of silicon is 14, proton is 14, electron is 14. 15th is phosphorus. Symbol is P, where the atomic number is 15 of phosphorus, proton is 15, electron is 15. After that, our 16th
element is symbol
sulfur is S. Sulfur's atomic number is 16, proton is 16, electron is 16. Chlorine symbol is Cl, atomic number is 17, proton is 17, electron is 17. Argon symbol is Ar and atomic number is 18, proton is 18, electron is 18. Potassium's symbol is K, atomic number is 19, proton is 19, electron is 19. And the last 20th element is calcium. Its symbol is Ca, atomic number is 20, proton is 20, electron is 20. I hope you have understood till this. But note that first point is all the atoms of the same element have the same number of protons in their nuclei and hence they have the same atomic number. Second, atoms of different elements have different number of protons in their nuclei, means plural form of the nucleus, so that they have different atomic numbers. Hence, from point 1 and point 2, we can say that no two elements can have the same atomic number. Third point is that in a neutral atom, the number of protons are equal to the number of electrons. Significance of atomic number. Atomic number can be used to identify an element. It tells us the number of protons in an element. The unique property of an element is its atomic number. Hence, we can convert one element to other by changing its atomic number. Further, atomic number can be changed by bringing change in the number of protons. I hope you have understood everything till here.
For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. As this is the foundation of class 8, we have covered the foundation of class 7 too. The links are given in the description of this video. Please go and check through it. I hope you've understood everything in this video. Part 5 of chemistry chapter ABC of chemistry. Thank you for watching.